आप तमाम नाज़रीन का एवरी टाइम्स न्यूज़ चैनल में खैर मक़दम है। मुल्क के वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी बतारीख 8 जुलाई को काजीपेट में रेलवे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट का रखेंगे संग-ए-बुनियाद। साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवे के जनरल मैनेजर अरुण कुमार जैन ने बतारीख 6 जुलाई बरोज़ जुमेरात को एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस मुनक़िद करते हुए कहा कि मुल्क के वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी बतारीख 8 जुलाई को यहाँ काजीपेट में रेलवे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट का संग-ए-बुनियाद रखेंगे। ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट तेलंगाना में अपनी नौइयत का पहला यूनिट होगा और इस खित्ते की मजमूई तरक्की में अहम हिस्सा डालेगा। अरुण कुमार जैन ने बताया कि ये यूनिट मखसूस ज़रूरियात की बुनियाद पर मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के रोलिंग स्टॉक यहाँ पर तैयार करेगा। अरुण कुमार जैन, ए.के. गुप्ता, डिविजनल रेलवे मैनेजर सिकंदराबाद, मना कुमार, चीफ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, रेल विकास निगम लिमिटेड और दीगर अहदेदारान के साथ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में काजीपेट के करीब अयोध्यापुरम में साइट का दौरा भी किया गया। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अरुण कुमार जैन ने कहा कि काजीपेट में रेलवे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट हनमकुंडा में नई सनती तरक्की के लिए माहौलियाती निज़ाम को मुतहर्रिक करेगा। इब्तदाई तौर पर काजीपेट में एक विगन की मरम्मत की वर्कशॉप की मंजूरी दी गई थी ताकि हर महीने 200 POH विगनों का एक मुतवातिर और हॉलिंग यूनिट को इस RVNL से किया जा सके। रेल विकास निगम लिमिटेड प्रोजेक्ट की जिम्मेदारी सौंपी गई है और यहाँ पर रेलवे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट के लिए टेंडरिंग के अमल के बारे में ज़्यादा वजाहत नहीं की गई क्योंकि टेंडर्स को पहले ही हतमी शक्ल दी जा चुकी है। आइए जानते हैं इस खुसूस में मज़ीद तफसीलात। पेश है एवरी टाइम्स न्यूज़ चैनल की यह खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
For railway manufacturing unit at Kazipet, which was a very long pending demand, and so it's a momentous occasion for all of us. This manufacturing unit will provide wagons to the Indian Railways, which are in short, which we need more supply, and later on it will have facilities for more and more rolling stock manufacturing. And it will provide employment to the local people, indirect employment to the local people by way of setting up ancillaries, market and all those things, and it will add to the overall development of the region. Direct employment will be as per the policies, recruitment policies, it will be around 1200 people. And indirect employment will be around 2500 to 3000 people indirectly.
फ्यूचर में रेलवे कोच फैक्ट्री का चांस है?
प्लानिंग में है।
Sir, why so many trains are cancelling lately?
See, trains are being cancelled not because of South Central Railway. They are being cancelled because of the works going on in other railways also. So, for carrying out maintenance and for carrying out special works. So not only on South Central, other zones also some works are being carried out. So then they are asking us to cancel the trains. So that's why the trains are.
How much time it will take to complete this project?
See, the initial plan was February 2025. We will try to complete by that. But since the scope has undergone change, so there may be a slippage of 2-3 months at the most.
21 crores is enough for this project, or it will increase as per the.
See, this change of scope of work has come recently, so we are preparing the revised estimate. So, but the fund is not an issue. Whatever is the requirement, that will be coming through.
The OH and the manufacturing unit simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. I welcome you all to this press meet. I am thankful to you for coming over here at a very short notice. Yesterday evening it was planned and then today afternoon you are here. I am very much thankful to you. This railway manufacturing unit which is going to come at Kazipet, the foundation stone will be laid by Honorable Prime Minister on 8th of July. And this is a very prestigious project, not only from the railway point of view but also from the public of this region, Warangal or nearby, and not only from this region but also from the point of view of state of Telangana. This is the first manufacturing unit being set up in Telangana by railways. This unit, as CPRO has already explained to you. Earlier it was planned for wear and repair, but it has been upgraded to manufacturing. So it will manufacture various types of rolling stocks. Not only weather, it will be for various types of rolling stocks. This will bring about the development in the region, bring employment to the public. Not only direct employment, there will be a lot of indirect employment also. A lot of ancillaries will get set up nearby. Some trade will increase. So there will be a lot of indirect employment also. So this manufacturing unit will serve as a base for the overall development of this region. Not only this region, but for the state of Telangana. So this is a very prestigious movement, and day after tomorrow will be a great movement for all of us to witness the foundation laying stone ceremony of this manufacturing unit.